The Hoover Commercial Hushtone Cordless Upright is equipped with a status indicator panel to alert users of required maintenance. If there is a red indicator light next to the filter icon, check the inlet filter, the HEPA filter, and the Hexagon filter. To check the inlet filter, remove the bag door, pull off the grill, and lift the filter out. If it's dirty, rinse it under cold water and reinsert the filter when it's dry. To check the HEPA media filter, push down this tab to remove it. Rinse it under cold, low-pressure water with the open side facing up. Reinsert the HEPA media filter when it's dry. Change the inlet filter and HEPA media filter regularly to maintain maximum performance. And change the Hexagon filter, located behind the HEPA filter, on an annual basis for optimum performance. Next, check the brush roll for wear with a credit card. If the bristles don't touch the card, slide the two orange tabs towards the center. Slide the rear tab back, then remove the bottom plate and pivot the brush roll out. Also check the belt for wear. If necessary, place the new belt onto the motor shaft. Then, insert a new brush roll, ensuring the belt sits within the grooves by rotating the brush roll. Attach the bottom plate and slide the three tabs back into place to secure. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.